Hello, hello. In this video, I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to show you examples of how far I've come. And Google AdSense is finally allowing me to delete these old URLs, old work, outdated websites that aren't even in business anymore. But showing you these examples and how I'm deleting them shows you examples of the stepping stones that led me to where I am today, and I'm on the brink of online success. If you follow me, give a like and subscribe if you want to follow my lead. Let me discuss this with you. Earnings at risk. This is an inside view to my Google AdSense account. You need to fix some ads.txt file issues. It's about ads showing on qualified work. All these URLs now are not qualified, and Google AdSense is finally allowing me to delete them. You need to fix some ads.txt file issues to avoid severe impact to your revenue. Well, they say that, but they haven't been showing ads anyway, so it's time to get them out of my account. I was waiting because for a while they were rolling this feature out, function. Okay, let me go down here. I had one highlighted. I don't want to waste your time here. How about it's got to be a blogger. How about I had it. Here's one. I know this is a blog. Oh, God. I've come so far, but I was so proud of this blog. It is showing an ad. I might fix it. Well, everything on here is dated now. Obsolete. Maybe that video is still live. That banner, they're showing ads on it. Wow. However, I never generate any income from this. Oh my gosh. Hub pages, they're still in business, but I don't write there anymore. Info barrel, out of business. I speak about AdSense. Info links, there's somebody who did make it, and I'm working hard to get approved because with the skills I developed and the more content I'm writing, it will happen. Chatika, I'm not even sure if they're still around anymore. Oh, I remember myincomejob.com. I have those two websites up there. Maybe I will keep this one. But then, well, you can see the work that I produce with Blogger. And then you come here, and this is my WordPress website /blog, myincomejob.com. It's in a different category because I developed the skills and I got better at what I do online, and I write better content. My vocabulary has improved. My grammar, punctuation, spelling, everything has improved significantly. And that's good. And the skills I developed to create banners like this and produce quality work. And you can see ads are shown. AdSense feels my work qualifies to show quality ads. I mean, these are good ads. They're not bad. Mint Mobile, car seat, Progressive, on my website. Wow. Let me tap on mobile banking. Just to give you another example, I created this one last week. The gold royalties. That's something different. They want you to invest. Google feels this deserves an ad there. That's really cool. Gold stocks. I guess right now they're promoting gold stocks. Yeah, they are. Let me see if there's an ad at the bottom. Yep. TV Startup Inc. They place those ads there. I place this one on top. But you see the quality. Storebuy.shop, another quality one. Let's go back. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I know this one, webanswers.com. I don't even know what that is. I'm going to delete that baby. They wouldn't allow me to delete these a year ago. They were rolling this out, list of fishes. Oh my God, I just want to check it out just to see as an example how bad it is. But stepping stone to developing better skills. This isn't bad. That's a lot of information there. Oh, wow. I talked about fish. Huh. Some other time. That's pretty bad. There's no ads on that. And that's another example. There's no ads on this one. Not at all. Let me show you one more. There's no ads on that. Let me see if there's any on this one. Nope. I had an ad on top. They took it off because it don't qualify. It's subpar work. But it was what I needed to do to get where I am today, and something like that I'm going to delete. I'm so happy I could finally delete these. So I wanted to show you that. I wanted to give you examples of how far you can come in any industry. Nobody knows it all from day one. I'm building streams of income online, and you could see the quality of work from subpar to very good. And you could do the same. So I'm going to delete all of these, see if I could get this done today, get them out of my account. Maybe I'll keep 2 because I wasn't aware they actually had ads on them. And maybe I'll bring them back to life a little bit. That's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. Don't give up. And if you want it bad enough, you'll make it happen. You'll stick it out long enough that you'll win. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Bye for now.